Hello friend, in this video I will be showing you the steps that you need to perform for Angular installation. So the very first thing you need to have is Node present in your OS. So let's move on to the browser. Let's go to the website called nodejs.org, and here you would be finding two different versions of Node. Long-term support will be version 16.15, and the current version is, which is still research is going on, and that is on Node version 18. It's your choice, whichever you feel you can go for it. So if I go for long-term support, you will find over here the Node 18 got published just few months ago only. Okay, and Node 16 was in the month of Jan. Okay, that's not that very old. Okay, so what I will do is, like, let's settle down with the long-term support version 16. So as I click this, and here the download started, it won't take much time at all. Yes, the download got over. Now let's click the file, and I'm working on Mac OS, so this is compatible with the Windows as well, no problem with that. And let's click the continue button, and here is an agreement, so continue with this. Yes, I agree. Okay, fine, that's great. And it will take around this much amount of space for a computer, no issue about it. Let's click the install button, and it will ask you to enter the password, and here it is. So I will go for install software, and then the installation would start, and thereafter we will be able to see some of the commands which will confirm us that yes, the installation has been successful. That's really great. So let's close it. Do you want to move the Node.js to move to, yeah, I don't need that executable file anymore, so move it to bin folder. That's great. So your node has successfully got installed. Once the node has got installed, remember I have installed 16.15. So let's open the terminal, or you can type command and spacebar in case of Mac, and then type terminal and hit the enter. Yes, let me increase the font size a bit. Yeah, here it is. Now I will provide the command which you can fire once you have already installed a node. The command is node give a space v for version, and it will show you which version of node currently present in my system, and it is right, 16.15, because this is the version which I just now installed. That's really great. Okay, the second thing, what you will you might be wondering, why did I install node? The reason I install node, because it will provide me something called node package manager, which will be helpful for installation of Angular CLI. Okay, so once you install node, you will be getting the node package manager. So this is a utility that will provide us to download the dependencies that are required for Angular as well. So let me hit the enter, npm, and the default node package manager that comes with version 16 is 8.5.5. okay, now this is one step. You can think like that. Now you can move to the next step, where you have to go for downloading Angular CLI. So if I search in Google Angular CLI, here it is. Angular.io is the website where from you can fire the following command, npm. Look, this is the reason why we install node first, because we need to have node package manager. npm install -g. -g stands for global. That means later on you can use Angular from any drive, any folder you wish to. Okay, so it will not be restricted with any path. You can develop your Angular project from any folder present in your OS. So npm install -g @Angular CLI. So let me click this. Yes, the code got copied, and now we can fire this command in the terminal window. So let's come over here, let's paste the command, and here it is. npm node package manager, which is already present in your system by virtue of node installation. Install -g @Angular CLI, and let's hit the enter. It would take a little bit of time, and thereafter the most updated version of Angular will be installed in your system. Okay, yes. Okay, I do already have okay, there was an issue with the permission stuff. So, and moreover, like, I do already have Angular installed in my system. So what I will try is that I will try to go for sudo. Along with sudo, I will try to do it, but I think since it's already there in my system, so there is no need of installing it. But still, let me just try out one more time. I gave the password and I hit the enter, and let's see what happened this time. Is it going to work now? This sudo is required if it is in case of, yeah, now it got installed successfully. Okay, very good. So if you're going for a Mac installation of Angular CLI, just provide the command sudo at the beginning, and thereafter the installation would be successful. Okay, there won't be any problem at all. Okay, that's great. So once you have already installed Angular, so now you can check the version of Angular that got installed, Angular CLI. Which version Angular CLI have been installed just after completing the previous command. So the command for checking Angular is ng-version. So this is the command, ng-version. So just wait for a while. Yes, and here it is, Angular 13.3.5, the most latest version of Angular CLI got installed, and it is also showing the Node version 16.15, which we installed very beginning only, and thereafter we got the npm package, Node Package Manager version 8.5.5. so we are all set to go. We can start downloading Angular project. That is great. We can do it very smoothly. Okay, so I will stop this video over here. In the next video, what I will be showing is how to download the first Angular project. Okay, so and once your installation is successful, don't forget to verify the installation by firing this command, which I have already shown you. The first command was node space -v, the second command was npm space -v, and the third command is ng space --version. So all these three commands you fire, and thereafter you will be seeing the Angular CLI. Okay, so wait for my next video where I will be downloading the first Angular application. Until then, have a nice time. Bye bye.